Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, this is the Bella's family channel. So today guys, we are having a typical day in our life. We just finished having breakfast. Daddy Bella is at work, Olivia is at school, so just me, Bella and Bobo is at home. So when I went to drop Olivia off, I saw a card from a post that they bring a package for me. Yesterday I was not at home, so they dropped a card for me. This is the card to come pick the post today by 11 p.m. So we are on our way because I ordered some things from Shein. So I think that is the post or Amazon. So we are going there. So we decided to take you guys along. Look at Bella and Bobo. They are there. Did you see your face?
Hello.
Okay. Which one do you like?
This one, but are you sad?
Yeah.
Nowadays. This one not sad. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So guys, now we have arrived at the post office. It's over here. Come
Let's go. Yeah, so guys, we have collected the post. Now we're on our way home. So I think the post is from Shane. So when I get home, I will carry the post there under the bicycle. Let's go. Yeah, so guys, we are almost close to our house. We just stopped by a bakery to buy bread. Bella wants to buy bread, so we bought the bread. Bella, come. Okay, wait, look at the bread. So we are in the playing grounds now. Bella and Bobo just want to play for the same what my God for showing together, guys. So keep watching. Bobo wants to So guys, we are back home. So this is the package I went to collect. I ordered it from Amazon and Shein. So I want to check it, which company this. I've already sanitized it when we came in. So this one. Okay, the taste is from Shein. I ordered this shoe. Yeah, I ordered this shoe for Shein. Look at it. Yeah, I ordered it from Shein, and this waist bag. Okay, look at it. So these are the two things. Okay, this is the suspendable waist band. You can use it like this. You can also use it as a handbag. You can see it's from Shein. So that is it, guys. I just love this. I love the shoe. Okay, look at it. Look at it, guys, and the waist back. So that is it. That is what I went to take from the post. Okay. I need to try to. I don't know, but you can still take the bag across your neck like this, like this. Turn the camera a little bit. You can still take it across your neck like this. See it, guys. So that is it. That is all I went to collect from the post. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Voy a